Today's adventure, I bring you to Vevay, Indiana. Some people call it Vevay. We are here to look at some black tulips. Of course, in my eyes right now, they look a little purplish, but these tulips belong to Kat Von D. And we're also going to kind of get a shot of her beautiful mansion. I was here last year, y'all. I got them then. I'm going to get them this time. They're a little different. So let's get up there, and there's going to be a lot of music in today's video. I'm going to shoot the flowers, and that's when we're going to put music to it. Then we'll do some talks in afterwards. This should be quite spectacular. Now the tulips in the middle is the only ones that kind of came back from last year. There is a lot more this year than there was last year, but it's kind of like going in a square. I think it's kind of beautiful the way they have it. Now I was going to get the other far side over yonder there, but there's a lot of mud. But right now we're going to get what I find beauty. We're going to shoot her mansion. Well, film her mansion. But we're not going to get a serious close-up because it is a residence, y'all. Now this is what I find beautiful and amazing right here is the mansion. My God, that is one of the pretty, like I said last time I did this last year, one of the prettiest houses there is. Holy smokes. It's about as close as I want to get it because people do live there. May not be a long video today, but really, and a whole bunch more I could get besides the flowers and that beautiful mansion. Man, I would give anything to be able to go up there and just walk around. Oh man, even go inside the beautiful mansion. Wow. To me, that's the real gem here. The tulips are okay, but that mansion is out of this world. And I said that last year. And give a little tidbit here. When we filmed the tulips last year, it was almost to the day a year, almost. Well, folks, there you have it. Kat Von D's tulips. Yeah, quite beautiful, huh? Yeah. Got Angie and I talking. We should put some in our own yard. And real quick, I wasn't gonna say it on this video, but the thing I bought, if you keep up with my videos and you watch the last couple ones, the expensive thing I bought was a lawn tractor, a zero-turn lawn tractor. Now I have a predicament where I gotta somehow get it to my backyard. If you wanna know more about that, leave it down in the comments and I'll make a video and tell you what my predicament is, what my problem I'm having today. But if not, yeah, I won't put that out there. Well, until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like the black tulips, and I don't know, maybe next year we'll do it again. What do y'all think? If you haven't seen them, come to southeastern Indiana to a town called Vevay, or some people pronounce it Vevay. Locals like me pronounce it Vevay, and get a look for yourself. Quite nice. All right, until next time, come on, let's get out of here. We'll catch you on the next adventure.